Okay guys, here we are at the indoor session and I've got my CLIK 25, my little Spitfire to test flight. I'm going to start with the CLIK and we'll see how we get on. And as you can see, I've got my Model Shop Leeds sponsor label. Check out the link in the description below if you'd like to order one. But we've got a few CLIKs here today, 2 more at least, so that'll be a bit of fun. Okay, here we go. Wish me luck, guys. Oh, that's my propeller. Good start on the. So there'll be a rubber ring somewhere. They don't know where, sir. Try again. Just try taking off on the ground. Oh. Whew, settle into the groove now. See if I can slow it down a bit. Oh, oh, oh. That was fun. Okay, so as soon as the prop touches the ground, I lose my O-ring. It'll just take a little bit of getting used to. I want to do that. I'm going to try again. Oh, I took off with full up because it was dipping.
Yeah, well, say you can get it stuck on the floor with the tail end in the floor. So I just try and letting the tail come up and then take it.
Oh, I'll have to turn right.
Use your rudder.
Yeah. Okay. I can't help it. Yeah, it's instinct, isn't it?
I probably use my right stick, flipping the throttle and flipping the throttle more than the left stick. Left stick more than right stick flying.
Right.
So they do turn really flat.
That was close.
Yeah.
Oh, I think I'll just stop there a minute. See how it stopped on its toes? That was fun, guys. Okay, let's try again. Try and use just rudder to turn. A bit more throttle. Oh. Okay, I'm getting the hang of it now. Should we try roll? Maybe on the way back. Oh, here we go, let's try a roll. Oh, well, that was a roll. Should we try loop? Wow. Oh. Oh, this is fun. Okay, I think the time's about up. Let's bring her in. Landing. Oh, let's go round again. Okay. Oh, that was much nicer, Steve. That was. I managed a loop and a roll. Yeah, exactly.
At the same time?
What do they call that?
American.
Right, I'm going to run another battery or two for it, guys. But that was so calm down a bit. That was great fun. So yeah, let's do another flight. Got a big smile on my face now. So the theory is I take off on full throttle, and this is a slightly bigger prop. It's an 8-inch, and the undercarriage bends back quite a bit, but I'm thinking I might just put a piece of carbon from here up to here to stop it flexing back, possibly a small piece across here, and we'll see how we get on. Otherwise, what fun. Check out Model Shop Leeds, I'll link to them below, and try it yourself.
Yes, I think so, yeah. You haven't put them on either, then?
Sorry?
Those track brakes?
No, I think I'll put them on.
No, I didn't like them when I put them on. I did try them. I flew it like that for a while, and I thought I'd try them.
Yeah.
You build it into the wing. You will be able to. It'll be like a printed circuit on the wing. That's right. Yeah. You want on every control circuit. Yeah. Yeah. All I just think I want to know which motors. What different forms. And it's only half the end. Yeah. I just put it on the basic. Yeah. It's going the right way, but in reverse. I'm not coming up where you lot are up there. Did you see that video? When they do the combat? Yeah.
Yeah, on the patch. Well guys, what a fantastic model the CLIK is. Really enjoy flying it. Put several batteries through it. Absolutely recommend it. It's great fun. And thanks to Shop Leeds for sending me one. Cheers.
Just to a little update, I've hopefully improved the undercarriage by adding this spreader bar and also a couple of angled back pieces. I've actually bound them with cotton and CA at each end, so that now will prevent the undercarriage from coming back and from spreading. Easy to do, very little weight added, so I'm not too worried about that.